Hey everyone, it's PowerTech4051, and you see I got a box in front of me, and this is a box that I just received, and I'm also on the phone with
Sirens of New Jersey, Simply Truealerted. What's good, you guys?
Yeah, this is his box, so I'm going to put him right here next to it. I'm going to put him down right there. So, got the knife. Let's open. You failed. There's a lot of tape on this. Okay. Here we go, and here we go. There's a bunch of bags in here. Thanks for bags. Okay, let's move these out of the way, and here they are. Okay, first up, we got a Wheelock NS. Got another Wheelock NS. Now, Sirens of New Jersey here certainly knows that I used to have a Wheelock NS. It was white, but I lost it, so he gave me his, so that's nice of him.
There you have it.
This one's a multi-candela one. This is an NS24 MCW FR, so... Next we got a, what is this? This is a, it's a smoke detector. This is a, it's labeled by DS, and I don't see the model number on it, but it looks to be like a Bosch rebrand smoke detector. So.
That's what came out of the burglar alarm system in my house.
Yeah. And I can't tell if this is ionization or photoelectric, but this has a heat sensor on it, so that's a nice little touch.
It's photoelectric as far as what I'm looking at.
Next we have a Simplex TrueAlert. So this is a 4906 9127 75 multi-candela horn strobe. So that's a nice thing. Here's we got another TrueAlert, but this one's a remote strobe. Model 4906 9101. This is also multi-candela, I think. Now here's something. We got a Feral Signal 450D. It's a vibratone horn. 75 decibels. He painted this. This used to be gray, but he painted it red. So neat. Now here's a smoke detector I wanted for a while. A System Sensor i3. I think this is a 2WB. Why is there tape on this? Why is there tape on this?
Oh wow, I forgot I had tape on it. You can take that off.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Now here's something unusual. This is a Adamco burglar alarm siren, but he modded it to have a Spectral Advanced horn inside of it.
I dare you to test it.
Maybe. Next we have a Wheelock MT. This is a remote. This actually was a horn strobe, but he took off the horn, or I mean the strobe, because the strobe died because of his stupid NACO panel. Model is MT24 MCW, and why does it look like some of the dip switches are missing? Whatever. Next we have a white Simplex TrueAlert remote strobe. This is a 4906 9103 multi-candela remote strobe. Get all this junk, get all this crap out of the way. And here's something, we got an older style Wheelock AS. This is a Wheelock AS 241575W. From the looks of it, this one does not have, or it does have code 3 on it, so he didn't yeah, he also sent the mounting plate for you. Here's the mounting plate. So next we have another Simplex 4906 9127 True horn strobe. So that's another one. And then we got a Siemens US 75 remote strobe. 75 candela, fixed candela. Looks like the RSS to me, if you ask me. Let's pick. Here we have an Edwards 270 SPO. It's a newer style one with pigtail leads. You have 270A SPO. It's a newer style one, so. And then we have another 270 SPO. This one's older. Oh look, there's my notifier key. And then we got another 270 SPO. Whoops. And then let's pick this here. This is an Edwards Genesis. It's a remote horn. This model number is G1FHD. So neat. And then we have a Simplex T-bar. I always wanted to have another T-bar, and this one's a dual action one, so, and it's addressable, but I can take that out. And we have another Simplex T-bar, except this one already has the monitor module taken out of it, so. And then we have, this looks to be a,
Chevy.
This was his mini horn, but it looks to have broken, but, I mean, I can think of something. It's fine, but here we have another Trueler, but he put "you're fired" on it. This is the false alert. This is another 4906 9127, but this one's kind of dirty, but I can find a way to clean it. And then we have this big thing, a giant wheel-lock bell. It's 10-inch bell. Model number, I don't see the model number.
It's on the side of the mechanism, you can't miss it.
Oh, yep, 46T. This is a wheel-lock 46T 10-inch bell, so I got another bell. And last we have just a light switch, so nothing special. So that's all that's in the box. So all this stuff is from Sirens of New Jersey here. And once again, here's all the stuff. I know this, if I can get this to turn. I know this looks like a mess right here, but oh well, I can clean that. So, all this stuff from Sirens New Jersey, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Certainly a thank you to him. So, that's it. PowerTech 4051 out.